Hey traders, let's have a quick update on gold from a weekly perspective. So from a weekly perspective, what did we have? It's very simple that gold retested this area over here, which was strong area of previous resistance now turn support, and we have this nice push to the upside. So this is exactly what happened, and now that you can see this long candle over here, basically this means that gold's hedge funds and institutions are basically taking their profits from this impulse to the upside. So what we can expect from gold from a weekly perspective. A weekly perspective, what I would like to see gold do, I would like to see gold at least come down and retest this area first before we can have any sort of push to the upside. So what I'm expecting basically is the market to push up to this level, and then we will look for a possible buy entry on this pair. But let's talk about this move that we have at the moment going now. So if we go down on the daily time frame, what do we have on the daily time frame? It's very simple. The market created a double high or double top over here and then started a push to the downside. So it made this nice impulse to the downside, which is also a lower high over here, or lower low, sorry, a lower low of this area over here. So basically we have created a lower low, and the market is now impulse to the downside and followed by a correctional phase, then a next impulse to the downside. So this is what we're expecting on gold at the moment as we speak. So on the daily time frame, you can basically see that we have a nice area over here of nice resistance on this area over here. We had previous support, we had nice resistance over here, so this is a good opportunity to take this pair to the downside to at least this target around here. Now why do I choose this target? Because this target over here had very nice good resistance, which would be then support around this area over here. So it's exactly the same as what's happening over here on gold at the moment. If you look at the 4-hour time frame and you take your Fibonacci from this high of the impulse over here all the way down to the low of the impulse, you'll be able to see that the market has basically created and rejected the 618 Fibonacci very strongly, and this is why we are looking for a push to the downside, because the market has already rejected this area, which means that banks and hedge funds institutions are interested in shorting this commodity or gold to the downside. So what we can expect is we can expect a further push to the downside. Now if you would like to enter this pair, it's always good to enter if the market environment changes. If the market environment does not change, then we will not take this trade. What I mean by market environment, if the market starts to push up and create higher highs and higher lows on the 4-hour time frame or on the daily time frame, then we will not take this trade to the downside. But if the market starts to create lower highs and lower lows, then we will be very interested in taking this pair to the downside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. If you did like this analysis and it helped you in some sort of way, don't forget to leave us a like and a comment below and let us know exactly how you feel and exactly what are your thoughts on gold. So this is what we're looking at on gold, and we hope to see you guys in the next analysis. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys again.